Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to take you on an exciting journey through the world of data visualization. Get ready to learn how to create a stunning radar chart in Excel. Have you ever wondered how to visually represent complex data in an informative and captivating way? Well, the radar chart is here to save the day. It allows us to showcase multiple variables in a single chart, revealing hidden insights, patterns. What is radar chart? A radar chart, also known as spider chart or star chart, is a data visualization tool that displays multiple variables on a circular plot. It is called a radar chart because its appearance resembles a radar screen's shape. In a radar chart, each variable is represented by a spoke or axis extended from the center of the chart. The values for each variable are plotted along these axes, and a line or shape is formed by connecting the data points. The resulting shape shows the relationship and relative importance of each variable. Why use a radar chart? Before you dive into the nitty-gritty of creating a radar chart, let's quickly explore why it is such a powerful tool. Radar charts are particularly useful when comparing different factors or dimensions across a range of variables. They provide a visual overview how each variable contributes to the overall picture. This makes radar chart effective for highlighting patterns, strength, weakness, and areas for improvement in data sets. Step 1. Gathering data. The first step in creating a radar chart is to gather the data you want to visualize. For example, we have considered a safety report showing the results of different aspects. You can also compare the performance of different sales representatives across various product categories. Create a spreadsheet and input your data. Here we have entered percentage of marks obtained in housekeeping, permit to work, HIRA, supervision, unsafe condition, unsafe act in each row. Step 2. Selecting data. Now that we have our data ready, let's move on to selecting the data range in our radar chart. In Excel, click and drag to select the entire range of data you want to include in the chart. Step 3. Creating the radar chart. It's time to bring our data to life with a visually stunning radar chart. In Excel, head over to the Insert tab and look for the radar chart option. Select the type of radar chart that best suits your data. Excel offers several options such as the standard radar chart, field radar chart, and or even a 3D radar chart. Choose the one that aligns your visualization goal. Step 4. Customizing the radar chart. Now comes to the fun part, customizing our radar chart to make it truly eye-catching and engaging. With just a few clicks, we can transform it into a visual masterpiece. Experiment with different color schemes to make your chart visually appealing. Adjust the axis level, font, and size to ensure clarity. Remember, the goal is to make your data shine and captivate your audience. If you delete any item, our radar chart will be updated automatically. To recap, we have learned how to gather our data, select the relevant range, create a radar chart, and customize it to our liking. Thank you for joining me on this educational journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. Till then, goodbye and take care.